Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen iPhone SE 2020 model tempered glass. As you can see in the last video, I have made a tempered glass video for the iPhone SE which was a full screen tempered glass. Let me show you here. It is a full screen tempered glass with black surrounds here. As you can see the difference here, there are two cutouts here and everything. This tempered glass is also a different, but it is comes with a EzFit kit which will give the finishing of this type of tempered glass, like the finish. As you can see here, this is the finish. Like, this is a transparent glass and it supports all the Spigen cases. This tempered glass also supports that, but it is a full coverage one. So some of the pens don't like full coverage, some of like this type of tempered glass. For them, this is the video. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and check it out what we get inside here. So we don't need any. Here's a tab here. Just pull this out. Inside the box, as you can see, it is mentioned a 2-pack. So we will be having 2 packs inside here. As you can see here, there are 2 packs here. So we will pull it. These are very tight, so be very careful. Gently pull it out. Inside the box we get 2 cleaning wipes and the installation instruction, how to install it. And as you can see, there are 2 tempered glass. These glasses are fixed to this EzFit kit. As you can see, the tempered glass are already fit in the kit. You need to remove these protective films here and keep this on top of the phone and just slide it out, and it's done. So why wait, my friends? Let's install one of the tempered glass on this, and I'll show you how to remove it and install it too. So as you can see here, this was the new tempered glass that I had installed earlier. Put your nail inside here, just slide it all around, and as you can see, the tempered glass is coming off. It's done. So we will keep this aside. So we'll check out, since we have removed it, we don't need any cleaning, but we will go through one cleaning swipe up here and then we will install it. Do remember, my friends, to wash your hands and switch off all the fans and even the air conditioner in the room, or else dust particles might go under the tempered glass here. Okay, so we will open one of the packets here. Some dust removal stickers. I do have one, so I will not remove that. We'll just take out this. As you can see, this is the wet wipe. We will go to a thorough clean on top of this phone. If you want to reuse this, then don't worry about it. Just use one of the sides and you can put this back in that packet and you can keep it wet until the installation is complete, for if you need any more cleaning or any wipes. So you can go ahead and push this inside here just until you complete this installation. We'll check it out. Yes, everything is clean here. For better, we will use a dust sticker here and stick it all out. Do remember to do it on all the corners and especially near the earpiece, because a lot of dust particles gets inside this grill. So as you can see here, now it is totally clean. You can check this out. There is no dust particles on top of the display here. We see some dust particles on the home button. We will give some stickers on top of that. Now it's totally clean. Now we will go to the next step. So as you can see here, this is the tempered glass fixed inside here. We just need to remove this top film. Do remember, my friends, as I told you in all of my tempered glass installation video, that you need to remove this film in this way. The tempered glass adhesive side should be facing down so that none of the dust particles falls on top of it, because while you do it, might some dust particles fall on top of it, and that will go under the tempered glass. So it's better to do it in this way. Now do remember to check the earpiece and the home button cutout here. Hold it down in this way. It is totally open now. Bring the phone here and we will put it on top of here like this. After it is done, just press it here and slide it. The tempered glass will take a few minutes to adhesive here. As you can see, it shows your wait for 30 seconds, but it takes around 1 minute. After that, you need to remove this sticker here very carefully. After you do this, you need to use the squeezy and squeeze out some of the air bubbles that is on top of the tempered glass. Okay, we will use this squeezy here and remove some of the bubbles that it is showing on the screen. Don't worry about scratching your display because there is a protective film on top of this tempered glass, so you can go ahead and do it very carefully. Don't worry about anything. And after that, you need to remove this sticker out. Now I have squeezed out all the air bubbles on this tempered glass. Now we'll remove this. This is the finished product. So as I mentioned you earlier, there are some phones where we get this kind of finish. So if you get this type of finish, don't worry about that, friends. Use this tempered glass instead, the full one. This doesn't get any kind of air bubbles on the sides. This doesn't happen in all the phones, as I told you earlier in all of my videos. As you can see, this is my daily driver Apple iPhone SE. In this phone, you can see the tempered glass is totally installed on the top of the screen perfectly without any air bubbles. As you can see the comparison on both the phones. So this was the video for the Spigen tempered glass EzFit for iPhone SE 2020 model. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.